Welcome to Auto Care Tips. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of your engine, the EGR valve. We'll discuss what it is, its purpose, common symptoms of failure, and how to fix it. So, let's get started. What is an EGR valve? In modern internal combustion engines, exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, helps control nitrogen oxides, NOx, emissions produced during combustion. The EGR system works by redirecting a small portion of exhaust gas back into the engine's combustion chambers through the intake manifold. This lowers the combustion temperatures and reduces NOx emissions. Now, how do you know if your EGR valve is going bad? Here are some common symptoms to watch out for. 1. Rough idling. Your engine might run unevenly or shake when idling. 2. Reduced power. You may notice a drop in engine performance or acceleration. 3. Increased emissions. Higher levels of pollutants, such as NOx, might be emitted. 4. Poor fuel economy. You could experience decreased fuel efficiency. 5. Check engine light. The dashboard warning light may come on. 6. Engine knock. Unusual noises from the engine can occur. 7. Failed emissions test. Your vehicle might fail an emissions test. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, here's how to fix a bad EGR valve. 1. Inspect the EGR valve. Start by checking for visible signs of damage or clogging. 2. Clean the EGR valve. If there's carbon buildup, remove the valve and clean it using a suitable cleaner. 3. Check and clean the EGR passage. Ensure that the passageways connected to the EGR valve are not clogged and clean them if necessary. 4. Replace the EGR valve. If cleaning doesn't solve the issue, you might need to replace the valve with a new one. 5. Check related components. Inspect and, if needed, replace related parts like the EGR sensor or gasket. 6. Clear the error codes. After fixing or replacing the valve, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the error codes and reset the check engine light. And that's it. By understanding and maintaining your EGR valve, you can ensure smoother engine performance and lower emissions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.